People, so some of you are experiencing BBL, which is birds before land, which means that all of a sudden when you start doing self-concept exercises and working on yourself, all these exes come back in and these new people are trying to get into your life because now your self-concept is a lot better than it was. But you're saying, where's my SP? I don't want the ex. I don't want these new people. I want the SP. Where is he? First of all, you're looking for him. Second of all, you're not in a state of being already with them, right? That's the thing. Living in the end is you're already in the state that you're with them. So you're not constantly thinking about them. It's in the back of your mind, we are together. And you keep focusing on yourself. Keep focusing on yourself. If you're focusing on them, if your focus is on them, you are putting in the law of resistance. And that's why they're not going to be able to come in, because your focus is there. It's kind of like if you're focusing, like you're blocking it. So if you just go back and say, I am just focused on my self-concept, because all these other exes, like when that happened to me, all these other exes that were coming in, I haven't thought about those exes in like years. They came in. See, same thing with your SP. Yeah, you guys are together. Let it go. Focus on you. And they will come in. Think about it. It's a real life changer.